Hello guys, welcome to another edition of our Autocad Mep tutorial series. After we've set up the page layout, the next thing is to create our title block. As I said earlier, it's based on personal preference. But for me, the title block I'll be creating will be having 7 sections. Enter. Trim twice, and you press enter twice. So CP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's adjust this our inner rectangle again. But I'm exploding this one now. X enter. I'm now copying this COP or CO, copy enter. So let's just extend this. EX enter again. Now the next thing is to start annotating these our blocks. Multi-line. The first block, let's name it the project title. Project title. Now, so SC 0.05 again 0.5 SC again 0.05, too small. By pressing spacebar, it means you are repeating an operation times 3. So scale it straight. Let's scale it again, 3 again, 1.5. Now seems it's far better now. For the next block, let's put our client details. Copy CP. Press F8 to on the orthogonal. I even paste it all through so that we adjust later. So for the second block here, we're having our client. Then like the space between this. Let's edit it first. Manage star. Instead of having 0.9 here, let's say 1.4 here. Apply. Okay, so we've increased the spacing now. So we're having our title here. Let's delete all these. Okay, we're having our client here. Likewise, all these. So let's come back. We're having our client details here. And the next block for developer or consultant. The next for the drawing title. And if we're having drawing title here, let's just create another line here, then L enter. Let's adjust this CP. So we'll be having the drawing content here. So let's name this one revision. And for our revision, we'll be having multiple lines. TR. So CP, enter, select object here, enter. Let's change this line style. Stylus B2. Let's scale it 0.7. Okay. Designed by, let's name this one designed by. So this is actually the final stage of my title block design. The first section, project title, I'll be completing it with the project details. Likewise the client, the developer, which is our company, likewise the drawing title and the drawing content, revision, the designer details, and save. The next stage now is to close this project and by saving it. So after then, I will locate the project folder and duplicate this project. So I'm naming one electrical APO elect and the other mechanical. But in case the project is bigger than this, or you are incorporating all these bigger systems such as the duct system for the HVAC, you will rather have 5 or 6 duplicates so that we have a separate files for the HVAC, separate for the fire alarm, separate for the fire suppression. But for this project, since it's not just a single family apartment, this two is enough. So in our next class, we'll be starting the electrical design. Keep tuned.